Very interesting question. What is the difference between Ram and Krishna? Are they same or are they different? Well, they are the same personalities, yet different. As my Shiksha Guru used to say, it's like double acting, one person behaving like two. So, Lord Krishna, he is the supreme personality of Godhead, as the Srimad Bhagavatam says, Eteh cha am sakala pumsam Krishna astu Bhagavan swam. There are many vibhinna amshas, kalas, swamshas, expansions of Lord Vishnu. There are different avatars, but Lord Krishna is the original personality of Godhead. He is the one from which every avatar descends, right? He is not avatar, he is avatari, but in India he is known as an avatar. Although, as per the scriptures, we know, as per the Srimad Bhagavatam, which is the crest jewel of all the Vedic literatures, which was written by the great sage Vyasdev at the peak of his spiritual maturity, it says, Eteh cha am sakala pumsam Krishna astu Bhagavan swam, that Lord Krishna is the original personality of Godhead, and also stated by Lord Brahma in the Brahma Samhita, where he says, Govindam Adi Purusham Tam Aham Bhajami. Who is Govinda? He is Lord Krishna himself. Now, both are same actually, Lord Ram and Krishna. There is absolutely no difference, but there is a difference of the rasa basically. Yes, rasa is like the mellows and the interactions with his devotees. And also there is some superficial difference within the leelas that they perform, right? So, for example, Lord Ram, although he is God himself, he is Vishnu himself, he is also Krishna only, but he comes to show the duties of a human being, although he is not a human being, okay? But he comes to show the duties of a human being. That is why he is known as Maryada Purushottam, right? For example, he had taken Ekapatni Vrat. He said, I will marry only Sita and nobody else, right? He left Lanka even though he won the Battle of Lanka. He did not rule there, right? So you can study the life of Lord Ram through the Ramayana and exactly know how should an ideal human being be, right? And at times he also displayed his supernatural powers as God, right? When he once said, I'll, vanish this entire ocean, and then some of the Dev came out. But Lord Krishna, he is Leela Purushottam, okay? He is the master of all the Leelas actually. And he comes in this world to show how is God, right? So Lord Ram marries only once, but Lord Krishna marries 16,108 wives. Only Krishna can do that. He can keep everybody happy, but a normal person cannot do that, right? So for a normal person, it's just one wife, right? Lord Krishna picks the Govardhan in this finger, right? But a normal person cannot do. So that's the difference. They are the same, but they come to show different leelas, all right? And there are many differences. We'll discuss them later sometime. Thank you.